Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about house rent allowance. Now, let's discuss some important points that we should keep in our mind while claiming exemption for HRA. For all the salaried individuals who live in rented houses can claim HRA to lower their taxes partially or wholly. Basically, HRA is an allowance for expenses related to rented accommodation. That means if you do not live in a rented accommodation, then this allowance is fully taxable in your hand. Further, if you are opting for new tax regime from financial year 2021, that is assessment year 21-22, then you are not eligible to claim exemption for HRA. A question always comes in our mind that what is HRA? HRA means House Rent Allowance in Income Tax Act, which is paid by an employer to its employees. It is basically a salary component that we receive towards our rent expense that we pay for our rented accommodation, and HRA is allowed as a deduction from taxable salary under section 1013A of Income Tax Act. Now let's see how we can calculate tax exemption from HRA. The deduction available is the least of the following amounts. First one is actual HRA received. Second one is 50% of your basic salary plus DA, that is dearance allowance for those people who are living in metro cities. And if you are living in non-metro cities, then 40% of your basic salary plus DA will be considered. Third is actual rent paid should be less than 10% of your basic salary plus DA. Let's understand HRA with the help of an example. Ms. Anjali, employed in New Delhi, has taken up an accommodation on rent for which she pays Rs 15,000 per month during the financial year 21-22. She receives a basic salary of Rs 25,000 monthly and DA of Rs 2,000, which forms a part of the salary. She also gets an HRA of Rs 1 lakh from her employer during the year. In the given case, Ms. Anjali received HRA Rs 1 lakh and her 50% of basic salary plus DA is Rs 1,62,000 and her rent paid minus 10% of salary is Rs 1,47,600. So we can clearly see that least of the above is Rs 1 lakh. Therefore, the entire HRA received from the employer by Anjali is exempt from income tax in this case. Thank you all for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and like this video.